All right, with my lemon slices, I'm gonna put some lime slices in there as well. And this is all in my 2-gallon pitcher. Beautiful. All right, and I just sliced those nice and thin. Grab some strawberries that I sliced up and washed. And we are just gonna put a generous amount in here. We're not gonna use all of these, but we definitely want enough to where we can taste the strawberry with that lime and the lemon. This is gonna be such a great little trick for parties or, you know, for a nice hot day if you just want something refreshing. All right, now I'm gonna grab some raspberries, and those are just gonna go right in there as well. This is so easy and so delicious. You just need some fresh fruit, and then we're gonna add our other ingredients. Okay, now some blueberries. And the best part about this is that you can add whatever fruit you like. So if you don't like blueberries, you don't have to add blueberries. If you don't like raspberries, you don't have to add raspberries. Whatever you want, that's what you can add. Okay, this is looking great. So this is filled up about 1/4 of the way with fruit. Now, to make this nice and refreshing, I have some mint that we're gonna add. And we are just gonna pick off these mint leaves and put them right into our pitcher, just like this. And this is gonna add the best kind of, you know, like little taste to it. I know it's not gonna be very strong, but it's gonna be very refreshing. I wouldn't recommend skipping the mint because it's just gonna be so good in this drink. Yeah.
Whatever you're making, it looks delicious with all that fruit.
Oh yeah, if you love fruit, you're gonna love this little concoction I'm making. Okay, let's make sure we get enough mint in there so we can taste it. Oh, I can smell that mint, that's for sure.
I want to see inside right here.
Oh yeah. Now it's time to make our creation come to life. We're gonna start with some cranberry juice. And we are gonna use this whole thing of cranberry juice. Let's see how many ounces that is. That is 64 fluid ounces.
And it's not even half full.
Yep. And now we're gonna grab our Simply orange juice, and I am using the Pulp Freaks. I don't like pulp. And this is gonna go right in there.
I don't like pulp either.
Whole thing. Ooh, look at that beautiful color.
And the fruit is starting to float.
Yeah. All right, last but not least, we're gonna do some lemonade. We're just gonna pour that right in there. Beautiful. Okay, let's give this a nice, good mix. Make sure everything is well combined. Oh yeah. This looks so good. All right, let's go ahead and grab some ice. All right, perfect. Give this one more mix to get that ice all in there. Oh yeah, that's gonna be so good. All right, now it's time to get this ready for the party. Now we're able to serve our summertime drink. Perfect. Let's grab a little lemon slice for decoration. There we go. And let's try this, baby. Oh, it's perfect, you guys.